Hey guys, it's Mrs. Finney. I wanted to start by reviewing some of the multiplication we were doing before we left school. So, remembering back to our proficiency scale that we were working on, we are trying to get up to a level 3, which says fluently multiply multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm. Today, I'm going to start reviewing the box method with a 2-digit by 2-digit as well as a 3 by 2-digit. So, before we begin, I wanted to start with some vocab. Remember that the factors are the numbers that are multiplied together, and our product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So let's start with a word problem here with a 2-digit by 2-digit. There are 99 boxes of erasers in the supply closet. Each box contains 64 erasers. How many erasers are there in all? We're going to begin by writing out our multiplication problem. So we know there's 99 times 64. When we're using the box method, the first thing we need to do is take our numbers and expand them. 99 is 90 plus 9, and 64, 60 plus 4. So now that we have our numbers expanded, we're going to throw them into the box. Start by creating a box. Now we're going to take our numbers and plug it in. Remember, at this corner of our box is our multiplication symbol because we are still multiplying these numbers together. Right here I have 90 plus 9, 60 plus 4. Now where I have put my plus symbols, my addition symbols, I can draw my lines across. Now my box is ready for me to start multiplying. In this first box here, it's going to be 60 times 90. Well, I know 6 times 9 is 54, and since we're multiplying with the tens, I have my 2 zeros. So 5,400. Next, we go 60 times 9. Again, 6 times 9 is 54, but we're only multiplying with 1 10, so it's going to be 540. 4 times 90, well, 4 times 9 we know is 36. All right, so 360. Then we have 4 times 9. That's just going to give us 36. So now this is where place value comes into play. It's going to be very important that as we start adding these numbers up, that we are making sure we're lining them up correctly. So I'm going to come right here. I like starting with my biggest number and going down to my smallest. So 5,400, 540, 360, and 36. As you can see, my numbers are lined up based on their place value. And I can come down here. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Carry my 1. Don't forget to add that 1. 9, 10, 13, and 6. Our answer is 6,336 erasers. So that's going to be reviewing our 2 by 2 digit. Now I really quickly want to review a 3-digit by 2-digit. Okay, now I have a 3-digit by a 2-digit. So again, the first thing we're going to need to do is write it out in expanded form. We have 100 plus 20 plus 6. And down here we have 68. So be careful that you're not writing the 60 over by the 100 because it's only in the tens place. So now we have 60 and 8. Again, I need to draw my box. One other tip to remember is you're not always going to have the same number of lines in your box depending on what you're multiplying. So don't just draw your lines in here. First, write out your expanded form. Remember, we're multiplying. I have my 100 plus 20 plus 6, and I have my 60 plus 8. So now when I'm drawing my lines, there's only 2 numbers right here, so I only need to cut it into 2. However, there's 3 here, so I need to have 3 different spots. So now for my 3-digit by 2-digit, I need to go through and I need to multiply each number. We're multiplying here. I'm starting with 60 times 100, which I know is 6,000. Then I have 60 times 20, which is going to give me 1,200. 60 times 6, 360. 8 times 100, 800. 8 times 20, 160. And 8 times 6 is 48. Okay, now that I've multiplied all my numbers together, I need to add them up again. But remember, it's super important to have our place value lined up. Like I said before, I like starting with the biggest numbers first. I have 6,000, 1,200, 800, 360, 160, and 48. As you can see, I have them all lined up based on my ones, my tens, my hundreds, and my thousands. So when we're adding up, I have 8 in my ones place. I'm going to have 16. Carry my 1, don't forget to add it. 15 and 8. My answer is going to be 8,568. So these are some quick ways to just review how we're using box method. Please review this video as many times as you need to, and don't forget that you can ask me if you have any questions at any time.